Hello, everyone. This is Isabel. It's day zero of ITW. It's all going on. They're still busy building the stand, but we're ready, guys, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
We certainly are.
I'm joined today, as you see, by two industry experts. Halil Kama is Senior Interconnect Specialist at LINX, and Milad Abdelmessih is VP Telehouse America and KDDI. Guys, welcome to my hot seat.
Very nice to be here.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming. So, question one. I'm a big advocate of creating secure, trusted ecosystems, partnerships to create the global interconnect fabric. I think it's key to do that going forward. And I know it's a big part of your business. So, how do you go about creating these trusted partnership in the internet exchange world?
Absolutely, it's a very core part of our business. It's actually the foundations of what Links was founded on, working with partners and core networks to achieve data transfer and keep peering local. That's the core foundation of Links and what we do today. Since we're founded in 1994, and that has followed through up until now, as it does with our partnerships. We have many partners from across the world, but in particular with KDDI. Partnerships are key to a internet exchange. Obviously, a network pairing with another network is a form of partnerships, and that is done by a lot of communication from network A to network B. And once that's done, they can obviously peer, which is a very key element to what we do as a business. And all of that involves a lot of trust and a lot of ongoings in the background for that partnership to work. And Links facilitates that partnership for over 1,000 AS numbers across the world. So we're very proud in doing it, and one of the largest exchanges in the world that do that.
So, you're a partnership expert, really.
Pretty much so. My whole role is based upon partnerships and making things work in the background for people and companies worldwide. And working with great partners makes it a joy to do so.
Okay. Talking about great partners, you signed a partnership, a strategic partnership agreement with Links almost a year ago. What makes this partnership so special?
This partnership is very special for two reasons. One is we're interconnecting two of the largest data center markets in the U.S. essentially, right? New York and Virginia. So we have a lot of users, a lot of demand, and a lot of traffic for our peering fabric and our ecosystem. So NIX operates one of the largest internet exchanges on the East Coast, and we're looking to diversify and expand our presence with the partnership with Links into the Virginia market and enable our peers and their peers to interconnect and tap into the communities.
Okay. So we've talked about partnership. I think it's one of the key things going forward. I think in the next decade, the next big thing is enterprise. Everyone's looking at how can we address the enterprise market better, and the enterprises requirements are evolving very quickly. So how at Links are you remaining relevant to address this evolving ecosystem, which is the enterprise?
Sure, it's definitely a hot topic at the moment. Everyone is looking at the enterprise sector and seeing how they can best service that marketplace. Traditionally, the Links members have been ISPs, telcos, the carrier world, and we're very well known within that space. If you spoke to an enterprise company, we're as a brand, as Links, as some of the exchanges in the world, we're not as well known as we would like to be within the enterprise space. And now we've introduced several new products, such as cloud access, closed user groups. Um, we always have had co-location, especially in London. But it's just value adds that we're providing to the enterprise market that they can utilize peering as well as many other elements that we provide. Almost a one-stop shop approach to networks. But we're seeing a lot of demand in the marketplace for cloud access, which has been a huge drive over the last 5 years. I mean, it's nothing new. The world has seen that. But it's accommodating that all within one space. And also being able to peer and gain cloud access is something that we've worked on. So we have a multi-service port, which allows customer networks to do that. So you can take a single port, and by having a multi-service port, you can also reach cloud, closed user groups, and peer all on the same fabric. So we're really trying as a one-stop shop approach for the enterprise market, and we've seen a lot of interesting names pop up from the enterprise world utilize those services. So it lets us know that we're doing something that's heading in the right direction.
The line are blurring between enterprise and wholesale more and more, really.
Absolutely. Well, the wholesale has a large demand for data, and it's an ever-growing market. They have consumer information, or whether it's transactional or back-end office mission-critical applications that are using a lot of data every day of the week. And this demand is only growing and growing. And obviously, previously, enterprise customers would only go to a carrier and say, "Can you service this for me? Here's a check at the end of the month, and I want an SLA." Now they're saying that they want more control over their network. In order to have more control, that's where peering, private interconnects, and all of the other functions that we provide really come into play. And they're researching the market and coming to us, and we're having some interesting conversations around that.
Okay. So you don't know me yet so well. I like hot gossips. Any hot gossips for me in terms of your partnership with Links coming forward?
So, we did announce our partnership about a year ago, but we are working to grow that partnership a lot more, especially on the East Coast in the U.S. So we're leveraging our kind of global fabric and our local fabric to strengthen that partnership, strengthen our interconnectivity between New York and Northern Virginia, to enable our customers to expand further in both markets. So there's a lot more to come.
Okay.
Maybe at our next meeting.
Okay, I'm gonna watch this space, guys, for your next hot gossip. Have lots of fun, make money, huh?
Hopefully.
And
Yeah.
and great partnerships.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here with you today.
Thank you for your time. It's been a pleasure.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.